How to set default folder view for all folders on Windows 11. What's up everyone? In this video we are going to see how you can reset your default folder view for all the folders in your Windows device. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a big thumbs up and then subscribe to the channel as well. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified about our new updates. Let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to your PC. So just double click on your PC, and from here you want to head over to the top bar of your screen, and at the top you will see three dots right here. So just click on these three dots. You will see a menu pop up, and from here you can click on options, and this folder options will pop up on your screen. Now all you have to do is, on the top you will see different tabs. Head over to your View tab and then click on Reset Folders. So once you do this, it will you can apply this view such as details or icons to all folder in this type. So just to reset the folders, click right here and then click on OK, and your default folder view will be reset for all of the folders. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next video.